Are you thinking about a career in IT but wondering if it's still worth it in 2024? Let's break it down. Fact: technology is becoming more critical across industries, so IT professionals are in high demand. Growing tech dependency. In 2024, demand for IT professionals is rising as industries like healthcare and finance embrace digital transformation. Companies are struggling to fill these roles, as skilled IT workers are vital for maintaining smooth and secure operations, competitive salaries, and career growth. One big reason to choose IT is the high pay. Even entry level roles like software developers or network admins are well compensated. With the right skills and certifications, you can quickly climb from junior positions to senior management. Constant learning and innovation. IT is always evolving with new tech like AI, blockchain, and IoT. It's perfect for those who love staying ahead, offering endless learning and the chance to specialize in cutting edge fields like AI, cloud, or smart apps. Flexibility and remote work opportunities. IT offers great flexibility, with many remote friendly jobs and flexible hours, allowing for a better work life balance. You can work from anywhere, whether at home, in a cafe, or while traveling, as long as you have a laptop and internet connection. Job security and stability. IT roles have proven resilient, even during crises like COVID 19. As companies digitize, demand for tech skills grows, making IT jobs secure and unlikely to be automated, offering long term stability. Endless career paths and opportunities. IT offers diverse career paths, from software development to data science or project management. With transferable skills across industries like healthcare, finance, and entertainment, IT gives you the freedom to follow your passion and goals. Positive impact and innovation. In IT, you can drive innovations that tackle climate change, improve healthcare, and build smart cities. Be at the forefront of tech breakthroughs that make a real difference in society. Thinking about an IT career or already in the field? Comment below with your thoughts or experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips and career advice.